Need to capture something on your Samsung Galaxy phone, but not sure which screenshot method works best? In this guide, I'll walk you through 6 easy ways to take a screenshot in 2026. From using physical buttons to voice commands and accessibility features, so you can choose the method that fits you best. Methods 1. Use the side button plus volume down. Fastest method. The quickest and most reliable way to take a screenshot on any modern Samsung Galaxy phone is by using the physical buttons. First, open the app, webpage, photo, or conversation that you want to capture. When everything is visible on the screen, quickly press the side power button and the volume down button at the same time. Be sure to release both buttons immediately instead of holding them. Otherwise, the power menu may appear. If the screenshot is successful, your screen will briefly flash and a toolbar will appear at the bottom with options to edit, crop, draw, or share the image. The screenshot is automatically saved to your gallery in the Screenshots folder. This remains Samsung's default screenshot method in 2026 and works across most Galaxy devices. Methods 2. Take a screenshot from the Quick Settings panel. If pressing hardware buttons is uncomfortable or one of your buttons isn't working properly, you can use the Quick Settings panel instead. Start by swiping down from the very top of your screen once, then swipe down a second time to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. Look for the screenshot icon among the available tiles. If you don't see it, tap the edit or pencil icon, find the screenshot tile in the available options, and drag it into your Quick Settings panel. Once it's added, simply tap the screenshot tile whenever you want to capture your current screen. Methods 3. Use the palm swipe gesture. Samsung also includes a convenient gesture that lets you capture your screen with a simple hand movement. To enable it, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Next, select Motions and Gestures, then locate palm swipe to capture and switch it on. Once enabled, open the screen you want to save. Place the edge of your hand vertically on one side of the display and smoothly swipe it across to the opposite side. If performed correctly, the screen will flash and the screenshot will be saved automatically. This feature continues to work on most Galaxy phones running One UI 7. Methods 4. Capture part of the screen with Smart Select. If you only need a specific section of the display instead of the entire screen, Smart Select is an excellent option. Begin by opening Settings, then tap Display and choose Edge Panels. Turn Edge Panels on if it's disabled, then make sure Smart Select is included in your active panels. Now open the content you want to capture. Swipe inward from the Edge Panel handle to open it, then select Smart Select. Choose your preferred capture shape, such as rectangle, oval, or pin to screen. Drag the frame around the area you want, then tap Done or Save to store the cropped screenshot instantly. Methods 5. Use the Assistant menu. If your phone's physical buttons are damaged or you simply prefer on-screen controls, Samsung's Assistant menu makes taking screenshots easy. Open Settings, scroll to Accessibility, then tap Interaction and Dexterity. Turn on Assistant menu and a floating shortcut button will appear on your display. Navigate to the screen you want to capture, tap the floating Assistant menu button, and then choose Screenshots. Your phone will immediately capture the current display without requiring any button presses, making this a great accessibility feature. Method 6. Take a screenshot using Google Assistant or Bixby. For a completely hands-free experience, you can simply use your voice. Make sure either Google Assistant or Bixby is enabled on your Galaxy phone. Then open the screen you want to capture and say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot," or "Hi Bixby, take a screenshot." Your virtual assistant will instantly capture the screen and save the image to your gallery. This method is especially useful when your hands are busy or when you want a quicker, touch-free way to capture what's on your display. And that's it. Those are 6 easy ways to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.